ॐ वासुदेवं रमाकान्तं नत्वा लौगाक्षिभास्करः कुरुते जैमिनिनये प्रवेशायार्थसङ्ग्रहम्। नामधेय उद्भिदा यजेत पशुकामः. In this, उद्भिद शब्द is नामधेय. उद्भिदा is तृतीया एकवचनम. उद्भिद शब्द is also used for tree or for the axe like thing which will do the khananam, like in Vivek Chudamani, that aptoktim khananam. So khanana usage is also, that instrument is called udbhid. Now what are the nimitta for namadheya? Namadheyatve nimitta chatushtayam. Namadheyatvam, page number 58. Namadheyatvancha nimitta chatushtayat. There are four nimitta because of which something will be called नामधेय. नामधेय निमित्त is are four. मत्वर्थ लक्षणा भयात, वाक्य भेद भयात, तत्प्रख्य शास्त्रात, तद व्यपदेशाच्च. These are the four reasons because of which something will be called नामधेय. मत्वर्थ लक्षणा भयात, वाक्य भेद भयात, तत्प्रख्य शास्त्रात, तद व्यपदेशाच्च इति. So see further now. First one is मत्वर्थ लक्षण भयात्. तत्र उद्भिदा यजेत पशुकाम इत्यत्र उद्भिद शब्दस्य याग नामधेयत्वं मत्वर्थ लक्षण भयात्. तथा हि न तावत् अनेन वाक्येन फलं प्रति याग विधानम् तं प्रति च गुण विधानम् युज्यते वाक्य भेदापत्तेः. So, for example, let's say Dadhana Juhoti. This is the Drishtanta. Dadhana Shabda Prayoga, that is also in Tritiya Ekvachanam. So, Dadhi is some guna, means a material. Either it is Dravya or Devata or something. So, like that, Udbida Yajeta, Udbid also will be some guna. That is why it is given Guna Vidhanam. उद्भिदा यजेत पशुकाम इति अत्र उद्भिद शब्दस्य याग नाम ध्येयत्वम्. उद्भिद इज ए याग. याग नाम ध्येयत्वम्. why it gets नाम ध्येयत्वम्? मत्वर्थ लक्षण भयात्. that is the first point. why it is मत्वर्थ लक्षण भयात्? तथा हि. that explanation is तथा हि. न तावद् अनेन वाक्येन फलं प्रति याग विधानम्. अनेन वाक्येन फलं प्रति याग विधानं न तम प्रति च गुण विधानम युज्यते वाक्य भेदापत्तेः. So this khanitra, towards that also there would be, if you say like dadana juhoti, there dadana is some guna, khanitra matra guna it will be, means you use khanitra for this pashu yaga, desiring some pashu. And what is the vigraha they have given? See in the third line in Hindi they have given. Udvidyate bhumihi anena. Iti udvid. Udvidyate anena. Udvidyate bhumihi anena. That by which the khananam is done of the bhumi, that khanitra can be called udvid. So then, if you take this kind of meaning, there will be vakya bheda. What is the vakya bheda? Your phalam is pashu. Udvida yaga phalam is pashu. If you take this, so udvida yagam bhavayet. Yagena pashum bhavayet. This is the meaning. If you take udvida as this khanitra, then there will be vakya bheda. That is what is given in the Moolam. वाक्य भेदापत्तेः उद्भिद शब्दस्य गुण समर्पकत्वे च यागस्य अपि अप्राप्तत्वात् गुण विशिष्ट कर्म विधानम वाच्यम. If you take उद्भिद शब्द as गुण समर्पक means khanitra, some instrument, that is called guna samarpaka. Udvid shabd we want to use as yaga. If somebody uses udvid as what is laukika artha, which is a khanitra, guna samarpakatve cha, yagasya api apraptatvat. The yaga is not known then. Which yaga? What yaga I should do? That yaga is aprapta. And therefore, guna vishishta karma vidhanam vachyam. Udbidvata. So now, matu pratyaya, if it is there, then udbidvat. Tritiya will be udbidvata. Udbidvata yagena. That is given. Udbidvata yagena pashum bhavayet iti vishishta vidau cha matvartha lakshana iti uktameva. Then, matvartha lakshana you will have to do for vishishta vidhi. So this Vishishta Vidhi, Guna Vishishta Vidhi, then what will be required? You will need some other Veda Vakya which will tell what is that Yaga. If you take Udvid Shabda as Khanitra. Therefore, what they have done, Udvid Shabda itself is Yaga. Means the Yaga name is Udvida, therefore you don't have to use this Lakshana, Matvartha Lakshana. Matvartha Lakshana is a dosha in Mimamsa. So now another etymology for Yaga will be Udvidyate Prapyate Pashuphalam Anena Yagena Iti Udvid. Earlier, what was the etymology given? Udvidyate Bhumihi Anena Iti Udvid. Now what is said? Udvidyate Prapyate Pashuphalam Anena Yagena Iti Udvid. So now Udvida is a Yaga. Udvida Yagena Yajeta Pashukama. In this way, Vakya will be there. So there is Samanadikaranya, then there is no Vyadikaranya. In other words, just understand this much. Matvartha Lakshana is a dosha. Matvartha Lakshana, if it is not required, then one should not do. So without using Matvartha Lakshana, if you can get the meaning that is desired. So here, instead of Udbidvata Yagena, Udbida Yagena, that is the meaning given. So that's why it is called Matvartha Lakshana Bhayat Namadheyatvam. Now second one. Chitraya Yajeta Pashukama iti atra Chitra Shabdasya Karma Namadheyatvam Vakya Bheda Bhayat. Vakya Bheda Prasanga, if it comes, to avoid that, you can use Namadheyatvam. Chitra Shabda is commonly used for some Strilinga Shabda. Some Stri is there called Chitra. Chitraya Yajeta. So somebody says, my neighbor's name is Chitra. So Chitraya Pashukama Yajeta. So here what is Chitra? That is given. See. तथा ही न तावदत्र गुण विशिष्ट याग विधानम संभवति. गुण विशिष्ट चित्रा is not some guna vishishta. Chitra is the name of the yaga itself. By that yaga whose name is Chitra. Chitraya yagena yajeta pashuta. Why it is called Chitra? Because there is some variety. What is the Chitra means variety. Chitra vichitra, how we call. Dadhi, madhu, payo, ghritam, dhana, udakam, tandulas. This is the variety. Where you need to use dadhi means curd, madhu, honey, milk, ghee, dhana, udaka, tandula, all of these. Water, rice, some other grains. Tad sansrishtam prajapatyam iti anena gunasya vihitatva tad vishishta yaga vidhi anupapattehe. So, tad vishishta yaga vidhanam is otherwise not possible. Yagasya phala sambandhe guna sambandhe cha vidhiyamane vakya bheda. Yaga is associated with phala also and yaga is associated with dravya also, then there is vakya bheda. Tasmat Chitra Shabda Karma Namadheyam. Chitra Shabda is the name of some karma. Tadhacha Chitra Yagena Pashum Bhavayet. Iti Samanadikaranyena Anvayat na Vakya Bheda. So Chitra Yagena or Chitraya Yagena, if you do Samanadikaranyam, then there is no Vakya Bheda Prasanga. Further he explains. Prakrita Ishtehe अनेक द्रव्यत्वेन चित्रा शब्द वाच्यत्व उपपत्ति. Why Chitra Shabda is there? Because in this Ishti, Aneka Dravyatva is there. Otherwise, see in the Hindi टीका they have given. यहाँ पर शंका उठती है कि चित्रा शब्द से चित्रत्व और स्त्रीत्व का ज्ञान होता है. Some स्त्री who is चित्र. स्त्रीत्व प्राणी का धर्म है. So therefore, it cannot be a Visheshana in the Yaga. Now next one is Tat Prakhya Shastran Namadheyatvam. See, what you have to grasp from this is only this much. That for these four reasons, a particular thing will get Namadheyatvam. Means a Vishesha Nama is given to something because of these four reasons. मत्वर्थ लक्षण 1, वाक्य भेद 2. मत्वर्थ लक्षण भय, वाक्य भेद भय 2. Now third one is तत्प्रख्य शास्त्रान् नामधेयत्वम. Prakhya Shastra. Prakhya means that which is very well known. It is given in the next one. Agnihotram juhoti iti atra Agnihotra shabdasya कर्मनामधेयत्वम तत्प्रख्य शास्त्रात्. अग्निहोत्रम जुहोति, अग्निहोत्रम itself is a yaga visheshan. तत्प्रख्य शास्त्र. तस्य गुणस्य प्रख्यापकस्य प्रापकस्य शास्त्रस्य विद्यमानत्वात्. There is a प्रख्यापक शास्त्र which already tells you what is Agnihotra. Therefore, Agnihotra Shabda is Karmanamadheyam iti yavat. Agnihotra is a particular karma. It's called Agnihotra. Like Chitra is a yaga, Udvid is a yaga. Here, Agnihotra is a karma. Nanu ayam guna vidhi reva, kuto na iti chet. Why this can't be a guna vidhi? Why Agnihotram Juhoti, this kind of Vakya, if it is used in this Vakya, it is Guna only. Agnihotram Juhoti. So, in this, if you do Saptami Samasa, Saptami, Yad Agnau Hotram Asmin, iti Agnihotram. Agnau Hotram Asmin. Agni me, in Agni, in fire, if some offering is done, Asmin, iti Saptami Samasam Ashritya. Homadharattvena Agnirupo Guno Vidheya. If this is what is done, that Homa is the Adhara, Agni Rupa Guna Vidhanam is done, Tada Yada Ahavaniye Juhoti iti anena eva Agnehe Praptatvat Tad Vidhana Anarthakyam. Ahavaniye Juhoti. Ahavaniya is Agni. Ahavaniya itself is the name of Agni. Then this Ahavaniye Juhoti, this Vidhanam will be Vyartha. Why? Because Agni Adhikarana is already Prapta. Agnau Juhoti. So if you take Agnihotra as Agnau Hotram Asmin, iti Agnihotram, then Ahavaniya Juhoti is not needed. If you say, okay, let us do Chaturthi, Agnaye Hotram, iti Agnihotram. Agnaye means Agni is a Devata here. Agnaye Swaha, how you say, like that. Iti Chaturthi Samasam Ashritya, Agni Devata Rupa Guno Anena Vidhiyate. Iti Chet, they say that is also not true. No. Why? Tad Devatayaha Shastrantarena Praptatvat. Agni Devata is known through other Shastra, means other Vakya, other Veda Vakya. Which kin tat Shastrantaram, what is that Vakya? Iti Chet. Yad Agnayecha Prajapatayecha Sayam Juhoti iti Kechit. Such Vakya is there. Agnayecha Prajapatayecha. So Prajapati is Devata. So Agni also will be Devata here. So therefore, in Agnihotram Juhoti, Agni cannot be Devata. Sayam Juhoti, in the evening. Aparetu Agnir Jyotihi Jyotir Agnihi Swaha iti mantra varna eva Agni Rupa Devata Prapakaha. Somebody, they will give another Veda Vakya where Agni is recognized as Devata. But here Agni is not Devata. Agnihotram, in that Agni is not Devata. More we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.